Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. So it is Sunday guys, and yes, I am back and I am well, very well. So yesterday, if you saw my previous video, I was sick, I had food poisoning, and I was really tired and I was just got no strength at all. But today I'm back guys, and as you can see, back to normal back to normal routine. I've got Paris and Daddy in the car. So right now we are on our way to Mount Waverly to grab something for breakfast. It's currently 10:30 in the morning, and yeah, we would like to try out cafes around us. So come with us guys, I'll take you with me. I'll see you again soon. Bye. So we're here now guys. They have Sunday market going on here. What would you like to order, sweetheart?
Get her mixed berry pancakes in your shower cup?
No. We'll get pancakes. So guys, we just had our breakfast. Did you like it, Daddy?
That's good.
That's good.
Made
So I
friends
had,
with Joan. Made friends with Joan.
Yeah. Daddy made friends with an old lady there. Come on, sweetheart.
Got punked by the cafe owner with his 4 sugar joke. Come on.
Guys, Daddy's loving here already. Careful, huh? Take care, bub.
I got coffee but hot.
So hi guys, we just got here at our old place, and I just checked the mailbox straight away because I got a notification that Paris' shoe has been delivered. And look guys, it's so cute. Have a look. That is so cute guys. So we're just gonna go out and clean a little bit, and also Ate Ann and Kuya Noah will be here shortly. So yeah. It was so hot inside the car guys, oh lord. It's currently 29 degrees outside, and here's our old place. So Kuya Noah will bring a trailer here. They'll be here soon, and we're gonna bring whatever's in here to our new place. Daddy, you miss your old place?
Fuck no. Hell no.
Honey, you miss your old place, honey? So as you can see, we still got more boxes here and outside as well. But yeah, see, it's where I used to film my intros before. Baby, careful. Anak. So you guys, I'm just gonna show you my OOTD. This is what I'm wearing today. Come on, Daddy, show your OOTD. Paris, it's cold. What are you doing?
Down.
Come on, show your outfit now. Yay! Good job, come on, Daddy. Show your outfit. That is outfit. Let's see. So guys, Daddy is starting to put things away outside guys, that we can, because we are going to organize like a hard rubbish truck. So unfortunately we had to let go of things that we don't really need guys, because obviously the new place is smaller. Huh? Car?
Next door.
Hang on, sweetie. Come here. Come here. See, this is our stuff here. This daddy's punching bag. Nako. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Oh, wow. Strong girl. I got a Christmas tree. Still okay for this year. And I've got my chair for my beauty room and all these frames. This one can go to my beauty room, and this for the laundry. Shoe rack. Oh god, I don't know how we're gonna fit all this. It's for the laundry. Oh honey, careful honey, they're heavy. Are you exercising? You're very dirty. Exercise 1, 2, 3. Help mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this na ka? Yeah, sige, okay. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and no? Head. Gusto mo kuan? Trailer hire, contact. Mr. Noel and Mrs. Ann Pangan. So we're nearly finished here, guys. Daddy has done a great job. Yeah, he's also cleaning the outside now. But Daddy's going to organize a cleaner for this house, guys, because that's what you should do before you leave the house that you're renting. You should book someone to clean it, like properly, professional cleaner. I'm just looking for Paris, come down, sweetie. So yeah, up. You can go up. Careful. Good. Hold mama. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, daddy. Hello, where's daddy? Hello, to nami. Bye bye. But yeah, we're going to organize that, guys. Just before the 21st, because we're here until the 21st. So yeah, guys, everything's in the trailer now. And now I just have to drive home.
Babe,
Yes?
can you help me? Can you hold the hose up? Can you hold the hose into the connection?
Well, you took it off.
It's not looking.
So we are home now, guys, but we're just going to bring everything in from the trailer. I don't know if it's open yet. Paris is now sleeping, guys, so it's perfect, seriously perfect timing to bring everything in. So yeah, see you soon, guys. So hi guys, I'm just in the car. So Kuya Noel and Ate Ann just left, guys. Thank you Kuya and Ate for helping us. So we're done with moving things from the old place to here, guys. So the other place, we just need someone to clean the whole house before we hand in the key to the real estate agent. But now it's currently 6:50 at night and I am on my way to Richmond. I'm going to pick up it's a wall art, guys, that I really like from Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to put that in, I don't know, maybe in our bedroom or the other room. But yeah, I actually had to get it yesterday, but yesterday I was sick, so I wasn't able to, so I told the lady I'll come tonight. It says that it's only 17 minutes drive, so we'll see if it's really 17 minutes, guys. But Paris is just having a nap and I told Daddy to just keep an eye on her while I go pick up these wall decor, guys. And yeah, so I will go now, pick it up, and then come home, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. So that's what I picked up, guys. It's just a big frame and flower. It looks so cute. So time check, guys, it's currently 7:50 at night. I just stopped at the pharmacy, guys, because as mentioned before, Paris is not well. I think she's got temperature because she was a bit hot when I touched her before. So I'm just gonna get some medications for her, and maybe get something to eat as well while I'm here. So see you soon, guys. Guys, back in the car. So I just went to the pharmacy and grabbed these for Paris. Panadol in strawberry flavor. So she'll like it a little bit. And also while I was there, I just bought this one. I think we had one at home. I couldn't find it. We probably lost it somewhere. So I bought this one because we have the machine, you know, that I can keep it on all night and it will produce like, sorry, I've got hiccups. It will produce like a very nice, you know, eucalyptus smell. So it helps with Paris's nose. But yeah, that's about it, guys. It's nearly 8 o'clock now. I gotta go home. Family is waiting for me. And yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video, guys. As always, I appreciate your time. And if you have any requests or questions or anything, leave any comments in the comment section below. I'd appreciate anything from you guys. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.